The KTE 7000 ISG solar power plant training equipment utilizes the parts used in the actual field to make the learners directly learn the integrated facility education for solar energy generation, such as independent inverter system equipment, grid-connected inverter system equipment, sequence control practice, etc., through the actual wiring. 7000 ISG consists of a total of two components: the monitoring control panel and the facility work self-control part. It is designed to have them easily understand the generating principles of solar power generation system through each component and comprehend the basic operating principles of solar power generation system through direct wiring practices. Firstly, the monitoring control panel consists of DC voltage, ammeter, AC voltage, and ammeter part, and it is composed to obtain basic information such as AC and DC voltage, current and power, etc. of each line when constructing the solar power system through the real wiring. In the facility work self-control part, power is able to produce up to 40 watts by installing 4 10-watt solar modules. In addition, it consists of other facilities: the connection panel sending the power which was generated from the solar module, the charging controller that converts the unstable voltage of electricity generated from photovoltaic power generator to constant voltage and that protects battery from overcharge and over-discharge, a battery that stores the generated electricity as a DC voltage, a standalone inverter that receives DC voltage from the battery and converts the AC voltage into AC, a grid-connected inverter that supplies power to the load in conjunction with a commercial power system and supplies the remaining power to the grid, and an automatic switch that acts to supply electric power to the KEPCO through the grid connection when the developed electric power is sufficient, and the supply power to the standalone inverter when the power is insufficient. In addition, it is designed so that it can practice the sequence related to solar power generation by using the basic sequence element. 7000 ISG is produced for the learners to practice the composition in person on the standalone inverter system facility, grid-connected inverter system facility, a grid-connected inverter system, sequence control exercise, etc., and the real spot through the real wiring in order to make it easier for users to understand the solar power system construction principles. The full components of 7000 ISG include a user guide and a user training program.